What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the swing arm. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, it is hot out here today. Look at my watch is picking up. I just walked inside, so it should have cooled down a smidge. This is 94 degrees, but it was at 97.4 a few minutes ago because I just stepped inside and I'm back out here. Our heat index is supposed to be right close to 100 degrees, so it's gonna be a little warm working on the bike. Alright, so a few hours later, and this is as far as I got. Anything that you see that's bare metal had rust on it, so I took it right down to bare metal. You see kind of the pitting. I don't know if you can or not, but there's pitting here, there's pitting here, here, all up in here. All that was rust. So the whole thing, if it had rust on it, it is now bare metal. But if it was good, then I left it as with the paint on it, but I kind of scuffed it down so I can prepare it for primer. And then after primer, gloss black. After gloss black, clear coat. And that's pretty much it for that. I discovered this thing's got bearings inside here. You got needle bearings on this side, and then there's ball bearings over here. So I blasted those out because the grease looked really bad. I cleaned those out, and I'm going to repack those before I install them back on the bike. So there's that. That's as far as I got so far. And as you can see, the truck's back, ladies and gentlemen. I did get it back from the shop. Unfortunately, I had to. That's a little better. Yeah, I got it back from the shop, and the next video about this truck is going to be the part 2 for the gear ratio incorrect. But I'm gonna do it in a special way that you guys really would like. Also, for those who want more of an official official answer as to why that code is being thrown. I got all the answers for that lined up, so stay tuned for that. So anyway, that's where I'm at with the truck. That's where I'm at with the swing arm. I'm ready for paint, but I'm tired. I've been standing here. I don't have a stool, and I've been doing a bunch of the sanding and stuff for the past 3.5 hours. So yeah. Also, I've got some cleaning I gotta do from a buddy's bike of mine. I went over there and I tore his bike apart, or well, we took the engine apart, and I gotta get all this cleaned up. So I'm probably gonna do that on a time-lapse video here in the future. But the top box and the bottom box, it's the whole top section of the guy's engine. So that's gonna be cool. But yeah, I'll hit pause on this, and we'll pick up on this probably tomorrow after work. I'll see you guys then.
Tomorrow.